Alright. This is the farm that my dad grew up on. As far back to the trees as you can see. My uncle's, my cousin's pizza place. And I guess they live in these other houses. My cousin Freddie's Navigator. It's kind of strange seeing those fields cut down like that. Or that the hills cut down like that. They used to have the strip cut from the coal. Wow, they leveled all that back off. No more strip cut pond to slide into when you get in sled in the winter. And these Amish signs are new. But yeah, that whole thing, all the way to every tree line back here, was their farm. And some down below the house over there. There's a creek that runs through down there and another one that runs through over here. I guess this is my Uncle Lanny's idea to plant more trees here to kind of close it all back in, but anyway. Welcome to Pennsylvania. Just got through with my dad's funeral and we're heading out to meet my mother and my cousins, her brother's sons and daughters. Yeah, God only knows who else. I think my Uncle Roy went out there too, because he turned just before we passed him.
I hope so. It was nice.
Yeah, I miss my Uncle Roy. He used to pick on me something awful. Him and Dad both. Never been picked on until they gang up on you.
Yeah. I would have had no chance between them two.
I guess this is the junkyard of the town now. Not gonna risk it. Only took a second to wait. Oh, when we're done, we're going back out that way.
What, to East Brady?
East Brady, yeah. So you can see where the hang gliders jump off. Hopefully that's still there. If not, the view still will be.
Exactly. That's more interesting to me than the history and the view. I love the houses. I mean, you can tell that's
Cracker box.
older settlement, like that house. That's pretty, that's older style. The countryside here is really pretty.
Yeah, most of these houses here are older than dirt. Or about dang near it anyway.
This house, the way that one is in the front porch, was the way the Snover house, or the Marlette house was.
The firehouse I asked Mom about last night, right about the time we were passing it, because she was talking about the thing they made up for my grandpa Custer, and it's right here, Reimersburg Hose Company Incorporated. There's still plaques and such in the back of that firehouse with all their names and a bunch of goofy mess on it from back in the day. And there's, according to my cousin Danny, it's Gay Tim's Antique Shop. Yeah, that's what he called him.
Yeah.
So his name's Tim and he's gay. He's the one that bought their house that's right back that way in the old grandma's old church. They abandoned the church and he bought it too.
Yeah.
Owns most of that street that Danny used to live on growing up. There's Mom and Dad's high school, and Danny's and my cousin's. Looks like my cousin Freddie and his wife and little Roy are all gonna go riding. I guess four-wheelers. I don't know.
It's a good day for it. At least the weather was pretty cool.
Yeah. Is this it?
Yep, there's Mom's
Yep,
truck.
there's Mom's truck. Okay.
Hamburger. Well,
This don't look like a Dairy Queen.
she said used to be, but yeah.
Okay.
Show off.
It's a rental. What do I care? Here we go. Bank, post office, house. War Memorial. I'll show you more on that in a second. And then out the other side of town. That's it.